Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafted Made Easy. This will be a quick tutorial on how to clean your Cricut mats. So sometimes when you reuse your mats, they lose their stickiness. This one kind of still has a little stickiness. I brought this one from Amazon. It came 3 in a pack, and I think it was like $9.99 or something like that. But when I went to put something on it after using it a few times, it didn't lay flat. So I'm just going to clean it and see if that will help. I also have some actual Cricut mats that have lost their stickiness a little bit, and then they're kind of dirty and everything like that. So I'm going to clean them with Awesome. You can get this from the dollar store, and it works very well with cleaning your mats. And I also have my scraper that I will use to kind of scrape some of the ick off of it if you must, and then you'll just let dry and the stickiness will come right back. All right, so it's just very simple. You just spray it. Awesome. And I try not to inhale it after I spray because I will go into a coughing fit. See? And I just inhale. But okay, so I try not to inhale it because I don't know what it is with Awesome, but every time I spray it and inhale it, I go into like this coughing fit. So I'm trying not to do that right now. I'm just going to spray. And then use water. And then you air dry it. My water now, it's a little too hot. Okay, so you see all the gunk is coming off of it. The color is coming off the mat as well, but that doesn't matter. You just want to get all like the lint and fur and whatever else you may have on your thing from using certain fabrics and stuff. And it kind of floats in the air, the dust and everything. So you want to kind of get that off. This one, to save your mats also from getting all the gunk on there, you want to keep putting the plastic on there. But I think for this mat I lost the plastic, so that's this one. Has a whole lot of gunk. You just shake it off, sit to the side for it to air dry. And right now you see it doesn't have any stickiness, so it's not sticky. But once it dries, you will see the stickiness come back. And of course I will show you that when you come back. And I broke this mat, but it's still able to use it. And I think I have had these mats for quite a while, so cleaning it and just letting it air dry has saved me from buying a new mat. A lot of lint in these ones. Alright, so that's it. And then you just shake it off, get some of the water off, and I think I will put these actually in the sun to dry them a little quicker, and then I'll show you how it feels once it's dry. See, right now no stickiness, but once it's dry it will be ready to use. Okay, so I am back. The mats have dried, and as you see, it is sticky again. some awesome and water and a scraper. You can use this, you can use a magic eraser, you can use anything that you have to kind of scrape your mats off. This one is just as sticky, and so is this one, my broke one. So I just had them air dry a little bit and they are back sticky again. So like I said, just a little awesome from the dollar store, and your scraper and your mat will be back to new. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, until next time, peace.